Is this an information product that you can actually sell? It's a great question that came up in yesterday's video. This video here, using AI for creating a simple digital product to sell. A question: who would buy a blog of information that they can found on the internet? Or it's asking, if I can already find something on the internet, why would I buy it? Over at Gumroad, there is a seller that sells content tutorials, simple how-tos. She says, for years, I had a goal to develop passive income streams, but struggled to make that a reality. Last year, I started selling informational products here on Gumroad, and since then have made $10K per month building products that I love. Steph Smith IO. This is her Gumroad shop. Very simple. Standing out in 2023, doing content right, doing SEO right, and unlocking hidden hours, doing time right. These are her 3 products here on her Gumroad shop. So in the video, using AI for creating a simple digital product to sell on Gumroad, where I got this question and where I generated this concept for this video, I want to go back to this idea of generating a product using ChatGPT or AI. AI is not going to do everything that you need to create a product to make $10,000 a month. That was not the intent of that video. It's not the intent of this video. It's to understand you have a conversation with ChatGPT. In this case, is this an info product that you can actually sell? Tell me why someone would buy this. This is market research using AI, or in this case, ChatGPT. And then you're also doing more research on additional products that you will have to create, that you will need to create to populate your Gumroad store. And then give me a list of 10 other products that I could add to my Gumroad store that they would be interested in. That's the people that are interested in the information products that I'm creating. But the point here is we're talking about creating in this example, creating a Gumroad store about baseball cards or trading cards. Is this an information product that you can actually sell? Yes, this blog post, the information that you're creating and posting over on Gumroad that you're going to put behind a paywall or sell, absolutely can be sold as an info product. Here's why someone would buy it. It's high valuable information, or it's high value information. It's valuable. It provides expert insight. You, in this case, as an expert in baseball trading cards, you're providing your expert insight, or you're going and you're finding an expert and you're providing that insight. Convenience. The guide consolidates important information into one easy to read document, saving collectors time and effort and money, because time is money and money is time, and learning how to spot counterfeit cards. Peace of mind. By learning how to identify fakes, collectors can make more informed purchasing decisions. Understand what we're doing here. We are building market research. We are actually writing the product, learning more about the product that we're going to create and sell on Gumroad. At the same time, we are crafting the pain points that we need to solve and also identify when we create our sales page. Then it lists 10 other products. But before that, there was community support. The guide not only offers information, but also connects buyers to a community of collectors. If you were to take this to the next step, and after you start crafting and building your own information products and selling them on Gumroad, then you also build a community around that, a Facebook group, a school community, or school.com class, or whatever the cool thing that the kids are doing on the internet today. You get the idea. Build your own community, build a forum. A Facebook group is the easiest way to get started. Then you bring them back and then you offer them 10 other products that you see here, a list from ChatGPT of products that you can create. And you go back to this question, and I know it is always the question that people are going to ask. Is this an info product that you can actually sell? Information product sell. Steph Smith sells content tutorials, simple how-to content. Gumroad has an entire section looking for inspiration on what you can sell. Discover the best-selling products and creators on Gumroad. Look at all these different categories of all these things that are selling on Gumroad as an example of what can be done. Drew Rowley is another example. Originally, I took pre-orders for my trend reports on Gumroad, but I received exactly $0. So I changed the tactics. I made half of my report free and the other half paid. Today, 99% of Trends.vc revenue is recurring in the form of annual and quarterly subscriptions from him selling a free report, or giving away half of the report for free and then selling the other half for him selling information products. Go back to ChatGPT. We're talking about these baseball cards, authentication guides, collector's inventory templates. Here, it suggests creating a video course, which is, again, something you can sell on Gumroad, baseball grading guides, monthly webinar series, a collector's journal, exclusive interview with top collectors or interviews with top collectors, market trend reports, printable display templates, collecting masterclass bundle. These are just all ideas that ChatGPT has given me around this simple concept, this simple idea based upon that thought of a hobby that I had when I was a kid, that I could start creating products and selling on Gumroad. Of course, I have a Gumroad shop for 30-minute marketing where I talk about marketing, or more specifically, make money online, how to do that for beginners, and everything that I've tried, everything that I've learned, everything that I've done. So learn, do, teach. Everything I'm learning, everything I'm doing, I'm teaching to you, and I'm selling it as an information product alongside giving away all the information here as well on YouTube. It is a billion-dollar market selling information products. People want to be able to save time and save money by getting exactly what they're looking for as they're looking for it, and not waste their time going around in circles, looking on Google, winding up over on Reddit or Quora, looking at a bunch of old, outdated nonsense, but coming back to a resource, a person that is learning, a person that is doing, constantly learning, updating, and doing based upon what they're learning, and then teaching what is actually working in real time, to include what I do here in 30-minute marketing, but also in the baseball card trading industry. Things are changing all the time. Events are happening. People want to know what's happening in those circles. All you have to do is just do a little market research. Go over to Google, How to Spot Counterfeit Baseball Cards, a Collector's Essential Guide. The first website, everything you need to know about counterfeit cards. It's a blog post. But check this out. This is the blog post, but what do? They have a book for sale on Amazon. It is the complete guide to selling your sports cards. 26 ratings. They sell this book on Amazon. Go back to that search over on Google. How to Spot Counterfeit Baseball Cards, a Collector's Essential Guide. Go down to Amazon, Spotting Fakes. Examine the top 50 fake sports cards. It is for sale. It's a $20 book. You can buy this, or this is for sale. It has 66 ratings over on Amazon, 4.4 stars. People are buying this book and they are liking the information they get. It is a simple information product. And yes, all the information in all those products is readily available right here on YouTube or on the internet. You get the idea. Information products, e-learning, whatever you want to call it. Selling information is and always will be. Look at all these books behind me. Will and always will be, or is and always will be, a lucrative business. Start where you are today. Follow the LDT model. Learn, do, and then teach, and then sell information products that will actually help people by actually solving their problem and doing it in a manner that is an efficient and effective way for them to get the information that they need. If you want to see exactly how I do this, there's a link in the description where I'll walk you through my 3 simple step roadmap for pinpointing a problem, creating a simple, smart solution, and then setting it up and selling it over at Gumroad. Link in the description for my workshop. Look forward to seeing you inside that workshop. Take care, and I'll talk to you in the next one.